Good morning, students, and welcome you to the English grammar class. As you see on the screen, chapter number 8. Today we will study, and the topic is adjective and kind of adjective. First thing it is, what is adjective or what is called adjective? And the definition of the adjective, that the word which tell us something or described about the noun. The word that speak something or described about the noun, that is called adjective. Or you can read from the book, words that tell us about noun or pronoun or describe them are called adjective. Same thing. So adjective is the word which speaks something about the noun. What it speak? It speak about their shape, size, quantity, number. If you see the second line, here you can see big, small, pretty, sweet, tasty, tall, short, windy, large, soft, hard. These all the words they described about the noun, and these words are adjective. Now number A, look at the picture and read the sentence. Mummy baked a delicious cake. Delicious. Number 2, Meenakshi wore long gumboot. Long. I bounced the big beach ball in the air. Big. This is Umesh's new house. So these words they speak different. Delicious, it speak about taste. Long, it speak about the height, that means safe. Big, size. New, about the house. So these all the word they speak about the noun or pronoun. Then number B, the kind of adjective. The kind of adjective. First adjective it is adjective of quality. The quality, that means the question must be like this: of what kind or type? Of what kind or what type? Some sentences are here. Kolkata is a large city. Konika is a beautiful girl. Sneha bought a blue sweater. Bhavana is a kind girl. Tiger is a strong animal. So these all the word which is written in red ink, this word they speak about the quality. Kolkata, large city. Girl, beautiful. Sweater, blue. Girl, kind. Animal, strong. And this show the quality of the yes, they show the quality. The next, the adjective of quantity, and the question must be like this way. If you have book, now look at there, how much of the thing there is. How much of the thing? If you want to find quantity, so how much? So we can read this 5 sentence. He did not do any work. Any. The farmer had enough fodder for the cattle. He had the whole melon. There is little soap in the bowl. Fahad drank half a glass of milk. So these words they speak about the quantity. That means how much. Dash work, any work. Dash fodder, any fodder. Sorry, enough fodder. Dash melon, whole melon. Dash soap, little soap. Dash a glass of milk, half. So these show the quantity, how much. The next 3, adjective of number. In the question you can say how much, but in the number, how many of the things. How many. So here I will read. Rabina has 2 sisters. How many sisters? 2 sisters. Sunday is the first day of the week. Which day? First day. There are dash mistake in the essay. Few mistake. Kyle has dash pair of shoes. 10. Sima was the dash one to arrive at the party last. So here it is 2 sister, first day, few mistake, 10 pair, last one. So these all the words they speak about the number. That may be 2, 3, first, like this, but they are showing the number. The next, demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjective you can show by which. That means the word which is written here, this, that, these, those. Where the word you can see, you will find this one, demonstrative. They point out noun that precede them. Okay, so 4 sentences are here. This book belonged to my sister. That ride over there is the most dangerous in the amusement park. I like this flower. Those boys are part of the school volleyball team. So here it is, this, that, these, those. These are the demonstrative adjective. That is not fixed. Okay. You can see the sense of the sentence, then you can use this type of word. Which is near, which is far. Okay. Then come to next. Then interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective, that means question mark. So which are the WH word that are the interrogative sentence, like which, what, whose. This all, that means asking the question. These words show the interrogative adjective. So sentences are here. What color is this dress? Which book do you like to read? Whose book is this? Which train are you boarding today? Whose brother is studying in our school? What kind of food do you like? So here it is what, which, whose, what. These all the words they shows about question. That means they are interrogative adjective. Then next, possessive adjective. And this adjective show possession or belonging. That means the things belong to whom. The things belong to whom, like this. Okay. The color of my bedroom is pink. Her pet dog is playing with its toy. Your books are on the table. Those are our classmates. This is his shirt. This means here it is my, her, its, your, our, his. This word they speak the things that belong to whom. So this is possessive adjective. Then possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun, like here it is my, her, its, your, our. These are adjective. Now pronoun. Possessive pronoun. The 2 words printed in the rent, possessive pronoun, they replace the noun and also show to whom certain things belong to. Certain things belong to this, and they are giving the example. So I like to read the sentence. Geeta went to her house and I went to mine. Geeta went there, I went mine. John showed Shekhar an eraser. John showed Shekhar an eraser and asked, is it yours? He saw the eraser and asking him, "Is it yours?" "We were taken to a hostel, but I wasn't ours." He showed us a robot and said that it was his. "This dress is too large for Anita. It is not hers." We gave them our dress, they gave us their. So the word which is added at the end of the sentence, they show about the possessive pronoun, not the adjective. Okay. The next. Now students, almost the answer is written here. You can see, if it is difficult, you will go through the options are given here. Okay, I think there is no doubt you will get the answer from this option. Then come to the next. Okay, look at here. First we studied the adjective and kind of adjective. What is called adjective? The definition. Then we learn the kind of adjective, and first one, it is adjective of quality. And how could you find out the quality? Of what kind of or what type of? That means large, beautiful, blue, kind, strong. These all they show the kind of adjective. Then next we learn the adjective of quantity. How could you find out quantity? That means how much of the thing. Any, enough, whole, little, half. These words they show about the adjective of quantity. Then adjective of number. Here we learn how much, but here how many of the things. Number, that means 2, 3, first, few, last. Whether you can find out any more. Okay. So these show the adjective of number. Then we learn the demonstrative adjective. This, that, these, those. These words show about the demonstrative adjective. The next. Then we learn interrogative adjective, the question mark, which show the WH word. The WH word which show the interrogative adjective. What, which, whose, what. Then we learn possessive adjective. Possessive adjective, that means the things belong to whom. The things belong to whom. It is my, its, her, your, our, his. These are possessive adjective. The same word if you use here, and the word which is used at the end of the sentence, these words are used in the end of the sentence, they are called possessive pronoun. In the next page we will find out which one is possessive pronoun and which one is possessive adjective. So here some sentences are given here. We can find out the possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Okay. So students, I think you have understood this chapter, and this is my request to all of you. So this one you will feel it by yourself, and this one also. Okay. If you have any doubt, please listen the video again and again and try to do this exercise by yourself. And this one already it is done and it is easy for you. Then after finishing or after filling in the book, then students, it is my request, please note down this exercise in your fair notebook. Please, question number I, question number II, then question number III, then IV. Okay, these things you will note down in your fair notebook. Students, I think this much you have understood, and you will do the work which is given to you now. Now take care about yourself and try to do all the exercise which is given by the teacher. Thank you. May God bless you.